Now, some neighbors in the suburbs are feeling a little groggy tonight. Something has been keeping them awake at night. So what's the buzz about? We began digging for answers when viewers started calling and emailing our newsroom.
I heard it myself, and that strange humming or buzzing noise is driving them up a wall. News 4's Brittni Smallwood, though, is here to get some answers tonight. Brittni.
Don and Jackie, people I spoke to in West Seneca say the humming or buzzing noise is extremely loud. They all agreed that it starts at night and carries into the morning. And bottom line, they can't wait till it stops.
It's like but like 100 times louder.
That's the sound some neighbors in West Seneca say they've been hearing for days.
It's a huge like buzzing noise. It's really loud and obnoxious. It's annoying.
It's tough to sleep at night. It really is. Sometimes people, they're just turning their TV up louder to avoid the noise. That's how loud it gets sometimes.
It starts maybe around 9 or 10, thereabout, and then it's continual. What is it?
Officials with the Thruway Authority say the noise is caused by construction crews that are repairing the concrete on Interstate 90 between the 190 and the 400. Buffalo's division director for the Thruway Authority, Tom Parachek, says construction crews started using a diamond grinder to smooth out the concrete last week. It's part of a highway rehabilitation project. Right now, crews are finishing up the eastbound lanes on the 90. Then they'll switch to the westbound lanes. Thruway officials say construction should be complete next Wednesday, weather permitting. Neighbors say that's music to their ears.
Thank God, because I can't stand it.
Yeah, that would be good. We'll have a good night's sleep then.
Thruway officials say they decided to do the work at night to avoid traffic jams during rush hour. Parachek says about 120,000 people travel on that stretch of the 90 each day.
I enjoy the fact that they want to improve on the highways because we need that. We don't want any accidents. However, I would prefer if maybe they could change their scheduling.
Parachek says the work is getting done now because every 10 to 15 years the concrete needs to be repaired. He says crews started out using 1 diamond grinder, but now they're up to 3 trying to get the work done. Once again, weather permitting, the project should be complete next Wednesday. Reporting live, Brittni Smallwood, News 4.